the Freightliner CST 112 tipper spec, ideal for tipper and dog applications.
The CST 112 also features the new Detroit DD13 engine, which is rated at 450 horsepower with 1650 foot-pound of torque. It also comes with a 5-year, 1 million kilometre or 500,000 litre fuel burn warranty. It complies with all of the latest emission standards and does so without the use of any AdBlue, and its service intervals are now out to 40,000 kilometres.
The key feature of this truck is the daily checks. You've got a clear coolant bottle here, clear see-through power steering reservoir there, engine oil dipstick and a fuel filter that if it happens to get blocked you can see the level.
The CST also has easy access to your batteries, which are located underneath this cover on the passenger side, which also doubles up as a step into the cabin. This particular truck, because it is a tipper, comes with a 454 litre tank.
With this truck we have fitted a Chris's lightweight Hardox body with a 2-way tailgate, rollback tarp, aluminium grain door, Duramatic couplings and a trailer tow hitch.
The CST 112 offers excellent visibility out of the window and over the bonnet for ease of manoeuvring around. Inside, as you can see, a contemporary layout on the dash with a wood grain or a driftwood wood grain finish. The gauges are easy to see and once again front loaded for ease of servicing, and all of your controls are within easy access. The tipper spec CST comes standard with 46,000 pound airliner air suspension, 46,000 pound diffs which feature power divider as well as crosslocks on both the front and the rear axle, and as you can see, standard with Alcoa aluminium rims, and the outers are Durabrights.